Welcome back, guys, CryptoFollow channel. Let's take a look if it's okay to buy Avalanche now. I would like to focus now with just a quick updates with my customer cassette on the daily time frame and the 12 time frame because global targets, and we already sweep it. The low of October 10, we sweep it. It's February 6, we sweep it again, and the pretty good pump today. Of course, in the perspective of the global chart, it's nothing, but it's like we can by end of this week, if everything will be okay, go at least 81% from that low to break the daily structure. If not, because this is not a break of structure, guys, definitely this is a main one, we bounce it. And to talk about a break of structure only on a daily time frame, we can break the $15.08. Unfortunately, guys, to talk about a main price movement, we need to break even the 36. That's why, guys, don't fall in FOMO with this impulse, right? Because it can be just some news or so. BTC performed pretty good one now, like 66, 700, but it's not enough. It's not enough. It's not even the 70K. Yes, of course, we can't go always down, right? We have to build a structure, the trading structure, but no rush, guys, because usually by end of the week, and especially this weekend, we're going to close the monthly candle. All focus will be on the Monday open, the new months, the March, the spring. This is going to be the main crucial level. That's why, guys, to open short, of course, it's also risky, and I don't see any reason why to open short. Can we drop lower? Yes, of course, guys. All targets I showed you before, how low we can drop, right? But now better skip the top. If you feel okay to buy Avalanche now, you can buy it. It's more than okay price, like 947. We drop, for example, in theory to, let's say, 4. You buy it again, so your average entry for Avalanche will be like 5 or 6. It's okay. But be careful with the long position, because, for example, if you want to open a long position here, where to add a stop loss? Under this low, so it's like 21% stop loss with the second leverage is 41. So it's almost 50% stop loss. It's not a good trade. Definitely not a good trade. That's why, guys, be careful. Let's double check locally with indicator set. Yes, this is not a distribution zone, not yet. This is what accumulation. And honestly, I wish we hold the line here, because all people tired now about all of these downtrend moves, and I hope we just hold the line here and go to the top here. This spring, I hope we will go over the $36. Maybe in autumn, we will see some high price. If not, guys, we all cooked, we all wrecked, and we can go in the chop market, for example, the next half year again. Now, technically, daily time frame is bullish. It's definitely bullish. This order flow is also like a bullish momentum, so we can close the 50% of this, for example, a range. So we get like range, deviation at the bottom. Around here, it's equilibrium, $20, so we can break the structure on the daily, come back, hold the line, start build the uptrend structure, consolidation, hit the top, and going down again. So, guys, it's just a hypothetical plan. But it will be not a mistake if you want to buy now at 948, for example, fix the profit on the break of structure around the 18 withdraw initial deposit and sleep well. This is no signal to sell on direction. You can add alert and track the signal to sell was last time in on direction indicator on September 25. So just wait. Now, of course, it's more bullish than bearish. Market mode on a daily. It's total disbelief, depression. So good time to buy. It's not a free. Money power, I don't like. We get a pump of 12% without any money, new inflow. It's kind of bad. So be careful, guys. Of course, no money outflow, definitely, but be careful. Locally, yes, daily we saw like more signal to buy, but this is not what we're looking for. We're looking for the signal take profit, guys, from the trade on. I guess this one is active. Yes, take profit signal. 2 alerts are still active on a weekly time frame, and I wait that signal. So still not triggered. So be careful, guys. By the way, before this video, we saw the strong signal to buy. Now on the say, I just posted the video showed you, we need to wait just today. We need to wait the signal to buy, and we saw the signal to buy, but it's not confirmed yet. It can blink. Strong signal to buy, the same story. We added for Arbitrum, January, at the beginning of January, it's on 46 on a weekly frame in Aptos. Congrats everybody who watched the video. That's why, guys, if you added the same alerts, just wait when we close the weekly candle and the signal will be confirmed. If not confirmed, it's just blink and disappear. So be ready. Be ready for that scenario, guys, also. The last indicator is take profit. We retested the buy line and didn't retest it again. So here, retest is going to be 798. So I repeat again, the best case for Avalanche now, if we climb by end of this week to take profit line 1613, test even the exit line, form the correction in the first week of March, and go higher with a new structure to the equilibrium and to the high price target. So guys, add alert to take profit line, not the price, because lines are dynamic. Maybe in the next few days, the take profit line will be at 13, just in case. And wait, and just wait. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment what you think about AVAX. If you'd like to trade as my customer said and add the same alerts like I did in this video, just write me DM. And don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.